Look at that. Over the next few weekends I'm going to be steam bending ribs into a cabin cruiser just down the shed. So I'll show you how to do that step by step. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need if you're going to steam new ribs into a big cabin cruiser like this will be a steam box. And that doesn't have to be an expensive or technical sort of thing. I have built a steam box out of bits and pieces that I picked up out of the yard. And the first part of that is the actual cylinder to hold the ribs. This is just a big piece of PVC pipe that I found in the yard. It's got a screw cap at one end, capped off at the other end. I've put a little hole in there for a hose. So that will be our steaming chamber. I also scrounged around and found a piece of fairly heavy duty hose to attach to the cylinder. The next part of it is a drum that will be used to boil water. The steam will come out of the hole through the hose into the cylinder and steam up the ribs. It's pretty simple. And then you need some sort of a fire. And in this case I'm going to use a big cray pot burner with a gas bottle. And the final thing is I made up a wooden frame so I can sit the cylinder in it so that the steam comes up and goes into the chamber. So I'll set it up and show you how I do it. The water tank up to halfway. The water has now started to boil. She's going up through this pipe and into the cylinder. You can see the steam coming out. And that's going to get real hot. So let's put some buttons in. Okay, so this is what you're looking for after 2 or 3 hours. Lots of steam. What we'll do now is take one out and see how it goes for bending. That's hot.